Hey everyone, are you tired of messy Jira boards and endless reports? In this video, I will show you how to build a clean Jira dashboard that tracks your team progress at a glance. So you always know what's on track, what's delayed, and what need attention. So what you will learn in this video? Very first, that you will learn create brand new Jira dashboard. First of all, you guys are going to learn this. Then you will able to add and customize your gadgets and the filter issue for better tracking. And fourth one is basically you can share dashboard with your team. Very first thing that let's start from here, that first of all you have to create a dashboard. So from your Jira menu, which you can see on your left side here, you have to click on create dashboard. So let's just go and click on here that this is a team and this is my another team. In same way you can create projects. So let's go and click on create projects first of all, and we will give it a name. Now here you can just give it a name like a marketing progress or something like that, right? And if you just go and click on more, here you will find dashboard. So let's click on dashboard first of all. Now I will just go and click on create dashboard. Now here let's say I'm going to write here that is a sprint overview, or let's say marketing progress. So here let's say marketing. Then you have to give a description. You can just viewer, so I will just go and add click on my organization editor. So I will just go and add click on groups, right? So you can select a group here. So here now just go and click on save. In this way you will able to create a dashboard. Now inside dashboard you can see here there are some kind of gadgets here which I will showcase everything. Now here you can see here drop a gadget. So on the right side you will find everything. So for example, this is activity stream. You can consider gadgets like it's like a preset. And for now, this is the fun part, which is basically gadgets. So click on add gadgets here. So for now, I'm going to add average a chart or something like that. So let's go and search here something for marketing, right? And these are the charts. So if you want to add charts, this is a wall board. So I would like to have wall board. Now simply I will just go and click on add. Automatically the activity stream will be added here, right? So which user, which member of my team, what they are doing, I will able to know from here. Now this is a sprint burn down gadget. So let's just go and click on add here. This is another one. So right now there's a no boards, right? So this is interesting. You can filter results from here, right? Show issue based as a self filter, or let's say you want a pie chart. So let's search for pie chart. Oh, I don't have a pie chart actually, but let's go to the charts here, and this is pie chart. I don't know why it's not showing in the search bar, but yeah, it's available. I can just go and click on add, and here it is. Now I can just click and hold and drag it in the next section, and here it will show me everything, right? You can also search for sprint burn down. That is a perfect for agile team. There's a two-dimensional filter statistics that compare across categories like status versus assignee. Add as many gadgets as you need, then drag and resize them for a clean layout. So for example, that I want this workload pie chart, and once I've added it, I can just simply, here you can search for no filter project selected. So you can select one of your project, you can assign, right? And this way you can create time fill for report on. There's a refresh interval, and once you're done with it, just go and click on save, right? So you have to select your project, by the way, and make sure that project is inside in this dashboard. So if that project is available in a different dashboard, then it won't show, because as you can see here, my projects are available here, but it's not showing up here, right? So I'm not able to add it here. So let's say I will just go and add here my Kanban. So let's just go and click on add, and as you can see here, this is my Kanban project. So once you are okay with it, just go and click on save, and this way you will able to create it. You can apply filters. So dashboards are only as good as the data, right? So let's go and click on view all dashboard. Now this is the, you can create as many dashboards as you want, and here these are the these are the gadgets we just added. Now you can expand it, you can minimize it, you can make it full screen. It's completely up to your view. And if it is not working, and if you added something, you can just refresh this up, and you can just copy the link and share it between your team members. So you can use GQL, that is a Jira query language, if you want more precision. OneSave applies these filters to your gadgets so that they only show relevant data. Now you can customize and polish. So you can group related gadgets together, like all sprint stats in one row. You can rename gadgets so teammates know exactly what they are saying. Remove anything that clutters the view. When you're done, click share dashboard. So you can just go and click on here, and here you will find, you can just view and create more. Now if I want to view, if I want to share, so I have to copy the link and I have to share it. So I can just share the link, right? Just like this, and my team member will able to access it. So you can give access to your team member or project group so everyone stays on the same page. You can make it like your default dashboard so it shows up every time you are logged in. And that's it. I hope you find it very easy, and if you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe, and if you have any query, let me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe.